Welcome to this guided meditation. Begin by finding a quiet, serene space. It should be a place where you can rest, free from interruption. Position yourself in a way that is comfortable for your body. It could be sitting with a straight back or lying down. Allow your eyes to gently close. The world around you starts to fade away. The only thing that exists is you, here and now. Take a moment to become aware of your surroundings. Notice the subtle sounds in the environment. A distant car, the rustle of leaves, the hum of your home. You don't have to judge these sounds. Simply acknowledge them and let them be. Feel the connection between your body and the surface beneath you. The touch point could be the hardness of the floor, the softness of a cushion, or the firm support of a chair. Wherever you are, trust in this support, allowing it to ground you, tethering you to the earth, providing stability. I invite you to bring your focus to the rhythm of your own breath. It is a gentle tide, coming in and going out. Follow its flow, entering and leaving your body, painting a picture of calmness. Inhale deeply, drawing the air into your lungs, and then exhale slowly, letting all the air out. This deep rhythmic breathing is like a soothing wave, carrying away any stress, any tension. As you continue to breathe this way, feel the calmness washing over you, immersing your entire body in tranquility. Your muscles loosen, your thoughts slow down, and a peaceful silence envelops you. Hold on to this calmness as we journey within, to the seat of your inner power. I invite you to shift your attention to the center of your being, the area right above your navel and just below your chest. This is your solar plexus chakra, a core of energy symbolizing your inner sun. It represents your personal power, your self-esteem, your individuality. You might visualize a sphere of radiant yellow light nestled in this area. Imagine it as a small sun glowing brightly. This light is your internal strength, your courage, your determination. It is the essence of your character, your resolve, your spirit. As you breathe in, visualize this yellow sphere growing increasingly vibrant. Imagine every breath feeding this inner sun, strengthening its luminosity and reinforcing its energy. The glow brightens and intensifies with each inhalation, reaching out to every corner of your body. Now, with each exhalation, let any tensions within this area be released. See them as clouds of gray being breathed out and transformed by the powerful rays of your internal sun. Watch as they dissolve into the ether, leaving only clarity and a heightened sense of self-belief. As you continue this breath work, imagine the energy within your solar plexus chakra vibrating with positivity. Feel it pulse with self-confidence, self-respect, and personal power. You're radiating these qualities from within, spreading warmth and courage into the world around you. Gradually let this glowing light expand further. It extends beyond the boundaries of your physical body, reaching out into the space around you. The light grows larger, casting its warm glow on your surroundings, touching everything in its path. It symbolizes your influence, your strength, and your uniqueness. It is the embodiment of your authentic self, reaching out to interact with the world around you. As you sit here, absorbing this visualization, acknowledge the strength of your solar plexus chakra. Acknowledge the power within you. You might recognize that this is your source of resilience, your source of determination. Understand that it is this bright light, this inner sun, that empowers you to face any challenge, any obstacle. Allow the energy of this chakra to continue to radiate. You might visualize yourself enveloped in this yellow light, embodying courage and confidence. Recognize your worth, honor your power, and know that you have the ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. As we draw near the end of this phase, hold on to the image of your vibrant, powerful solar plexus chakra. Embrace the feelings of confidence and determination it brings, ready to carry this energy with you into the next part of your journey. You might slowly begin to deepen your breath. Feel yourself grounded again. You might notice the surface beneath you or hear the sounds around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your consciousness back to your physical surroundings. When you feel ready, open your eyes, bringing the calmness and confidence from this meditation into your day. Remember your vibrant solar plexus chakra, your source of inner strength. Carry this energy with you, knowing that your inner sun can guide you through any challenge. You are powerful, you are brave, and you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Thank you for sharing this space. May you return to your day enriched and empowered.